Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to view saved Wi-Fi passwords using CMD. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a CMD. Click on open. Okay. Now first you'll need to enter this command netsh wlan show profiles and hit enter. This will list all the Wi-Fi profiles which you have previously connected. So now we are going to view the password for Rishi Labs. For that, you need to enter the second command, netsh wlan show profile, name equals to Rishi Labs. You can enter the profile which you have and key equals to clear. Once you enter this command, you will be able to see the password for this Wi-Fi network, that is Rishi Labs. Okay, you need to look for the key content over here. So password for Rishi Labs is Rishi123. That's how you can see the saved password of any Wi-Fi network which you have previously connected. So that's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.